As many other programming languages, Python is also a very good object orientation language. And what means object orientation? This means that also Python can create a custom class. So you already learned the most famous data types or the most famous classes. These were the integer, string, boolean, and so on. Okay, and these classes are predefined. But sometimes you want to create a type that is a custom one, okay, and this really simplifies your code. For example, if you want to create different types of animals, it is way easier to have a predefined class which implements all the methods that are applicable for exactly these animals and all the different colors and breeds and basically all the different types of animals that you can find out there. And this is quite useful when used in programming, and to be honest, most of the complex and real-world codes are object-oriented based. But let's see how this works now in our IDE. So you declare a class by the keyword class in Python. So simply write class, then the name of the class, in our case animal, and inside the class you can now add the functions applicable for this class. For example, what an animal can do? Well, the animal can run. So I will create a method, so def run, and then self. And now let's print what is going to happen in this method. So here we'll write running. So when we call this method for an animal, this means the animal is running. Now let's create another method. So def eat, and then print eating. Right, so this is a class of an animals, and you know all the animals can run and eat, and for that reason these methods are implemented here. But how you're creating an animal that have these features, or how you're creating an instance of the class, it is very simple. For example, I want to create a dog, so dog will be equal to animal, okay? This is the same way as a certain variable can be integer. For example, a number, let's say from 1 to 10, the numbers from 1 to 10 are integers, right? And the dog is of a type animal that we already defined. So if I write dog dot, and you can see now when I write dog dot, they are the methods eat and run available because they are available for this class, right? So let's choose the method eat and just run the code. So if I run it, you can see that the dog is eating at the moment, right? Now, you can also add some features to this dog. So if I write a dog dot, and then the breed could be poodle, okay? And I want also dog dot age, and the age of the dog could be 5 years, right? Now, if I want to print dog dot age, I will get 5 for the age of the dog, okay? But do you see something that is not quite right here? Well, the problem here is that every time that we create a dog, outside of this class we will need to define dog.breed, so we're defining a new parameter, and then stating that it's a poodle, or dog.age and stating that it's 5 years old. Isn't it better if we could have these features added inside our class? And yes, in Python you can do that. And actually the most useful way to do this is by a constructor. And what constructor is? Well, this means that basically when you want to create a dog or any other animal, when you want to create an animal, you definitely need to pass some parameters that are going to be assigned to this animal. For example, def and constructor is marked by init, or this is the initialization, okay? Self, comma, breed, comma, color. And then inside you can write self.breed equal to breed, and self.color is equal to color. Okay, so now every user that wants to create an animal first have to declare what is the breed and the color of this animal, okay? So now the creation of the dog will look like this. Dog equals animal, so class animal, and inside the brackets I'll write photo, and the color will be white. And now if I want to print dog dot, you're getting breed, color, eat, run, and also this method here. So if I would like dog breed, and let's actually add it in a print statement. So if I run the code now, you can see that we're getting the breed of the dog that was defined once we declared our dog, right?